Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use data visualization tools for business insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the business problem you want to solve using data visualization. Gather relevant data from your various sources. Ensure the data is clean and accurate for effective analysis. Choose the right data visualization tool that fits your needs. Popular options include Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. Familiarize yourself with the features and interfaces of your chosen tool. Import your clean data into the selected visualization tool. Begin by selecting the type of visualization that best represents your data. Common types include bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and scatter plots. Consider the story you want your data to tell. Arrange your visualizations in a logical sequence to guide the audience. Use colors, labels, and legends to enhance clarity. Ensure your visualizations are not cluttered to maintain focus. Invite feedback from stakeholders to validate your insights. Refine your visuals based on the feedback received. Create dashboards that combine multiple visualizations for comprehensive insights. Share these dashboards with your team and relevant stakeholders. Monitor how well your visualizations help in decision-making over time. Regularly update your data and visualizations to reflect any changes. Document your insights and the decisions made based on your visualizations. Continuously educate yourself on new data visualization trends and techniques. Leverage tutorials and online courses to master your tools further. Always prioritize the needs of your audience while designing visualizations. Remember, effective data visualization is about clear communication and storytelling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.